courses at Flagler started with environmental science, and the coastal environmental science major has proved to be very popular and successful at kind of placing our students into jobs or graduate schools. A lot of our students are really interested in biology.
I have always been super interested in the way things work around me, and I started as a CES major, and it piqued my curiosity. I just wanted to know as much as I could.
And the addition of that minor allowed us to start offering some of these really cool electives like Intro to Biotechnology, genetics, like dolphin biology, and like the study abroad course of coral reef ecology that we offer in Bermuda.
One of my favorite memories was going on the eco tours with Captain Zach.
The electives are really what is going to allow students to personalize their own biology degree to their ambitions.
It opens up a lot of really fun classes like forensics, which is one of my favorites.
I'm in a sea turtle class right now where we just go around the marinas and we record underwater with a GoPro, just try to get a 360 view.
There was a lot of demand for biology as a major. It's a very popular choice of major nationwide. We really wanted to come up with a curriculum that would really best serve our students, right? And would allow them some flexibility in the courses that they would choose, but also offer them the courses that they would need to launch them into their preferred career choices. So some students may want to focus on ecosystem conservation or study animals or plants, and then they would have the ability to choose courses like coral reef ecology, like vertebrate zoology or animal behavior, all these exciting courses.
I'm interested in going to vet school and specifically working in wildlife rehab, and being able to work with wildlife here as an undergraduate. It's a really unique experience that you really won't find anywhere else.
Other students will come at it from a desire to pursue more kind of lab-based skills or healthcare adjacent careers. And Florida is another great place to study this. We have a growing population and an aging population as well. And so there's a really strong desire to hire healthcare professionals. And the biology major gives us a more kind of direct path to those careers than what we've been able to offer before. And so for those students who are interested in that pathway, they can go ahead and choose courses like microbiology, like biotechnology, like nutrition, which will play much more into those career paths. So there's some degree of flexibility there. Biology is the study of life, right? And there's really kind of no better way to study living systems, I think, than a place like Florida, particularly coastal Florida where we're located, where we have access to mangroves, salt marsh, unique maritime hammock ecosystems, of our intercoastal waterways, we have the ocean, the beaches. There's really like a wide variety of living systems that we can study.
Our backyard is just such a good lab experience, and it allows a lot of opportunity to go out into the field and see everything for yourself.
Tons and tons of species call Florida home. And so if you're interested in studying life, it's a really great place to do it. Working side by side in the field or in the lab with your professor and learning from them those really important skills, like learning how to use a specific instrument or a specific technique. And those skills are really in demand, right, for graduate school or pre-professional programs. And they certainly have helped our students access these fairly competitive programs.
Flagler has a lot of partnerships with local organizations like the GTM, the Whitney Lab, and Eco Tours that allow students to have more research opportunities.
We spend more time either doing lab work or doing field work than just being lectured.
I currently work as a lab assistant here at Flagler, and that is opening a lot of doors for me in other job applications right now. And everybody is really passionate about what they do. And because of the small class sizes, you get so much one-on-one and hands-on experience that I don't think you'd get at another school.
Especially in a class like organic chemistry or biochem, having a professor that you can you can go up and talk to and be like, hey, I don't understand this. It's really helpful. And my career end goal is to work for NOAA, the National Oceanographic and Atmospheric Administration. I think Flagler's prepared me really well for that.
Have fun and don't be afraid of your professors. I find a lot of people get a little nervous about that. I'm like, no, that's all the reason to go talk to them. They have a face, they have a name, and they are super willing to help you.